Put the tip of your tongue against your hard palate. Activate your voice. Hold the sound and push it up your nose. Push it up. L versus N. N is a nasal sound. Therefore, when you cover your nose, you can't generate the sound. Na 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 versus la la la. The sound travels up your nose. La la la, na, na, na. So to check, la la la, na, na. Questions? Check out our chapter on the letter L and return here afterwards. Same as M, you can check N for nose and throat vibrations. The vibration is felt on your throat and on your nose. Na, na, na. Sample words include now, and net. Bouncy tongue. When there are two ends near each other, they seem to almost bounce off the roof of your mouth. Nina, 9. So basically, if this is your tongue and this is your mouth, Nina, Nina, na. So you push and bounce off. Nina, 9, 9. Do not say nan, nan. All done? Move on to the exercises.